Hello guys, what's up? So today I want to make one slime with all these different glues. So I have here 2 glitter glues, oh no, actually 3, 4 clear glues, and this one is white. Okay, let's begin. This looks very cool. Let's mix it. Nice. It's time for activator. I am using liquid starch stuff flow. This looks slimy, but it's not slimy yet. So let's add more liquid starch. And we need more. Yay, so I have slime. So this is my slime made with 8 different glues. I like the color, it's a little bit jelly and it's good for poking. So tell me, what do you think? Please leave your comments down below. Bye!